Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming the watch has charge and a functioning display. Hold the side button for 10 seconds to force a restart if the screen is frozen. Connect the original charger and confirm the battery percentage increases on screen. Typical full charge completes in about 90 minutes on modern smartwatches. Inspect the back for a 5 atm water resistance rating if moisture exposure is suspected. Wipe contacts with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth to ensure good electrical contact. Next, resolve Bluetooth and app connection issues by keeping devices within 10 meters. Enable Bluetooth 5.0 on the phone and open the companion app to start pairing. If pairing fails, reboot both devices and toggle airplane mode briefly to clear radio states. Check the app for firmware updates and install a typical 50 megabyte update over Wi-Fi. Backup health data to the cloud before a factory reset, because the reset will erase local information permanently. For hardware repairs, always power off and backup data first to protect information. If the battery is swollen, stop using the device and seek a certified technician immediately. Replacement typically costs $80 to $150. For minor fixes like replacing the wristband or tightening screws, use a Phillips number 00 screwdriver and small precision tools. When opening the case, reseal using 1mm 3M adhesive tape to maintain water resistance. Seek professional service for crack.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.